Hello, my great people. Welcome back again. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. And if you never subscribe first time I'll see my video on YouTube, what are you waiting for? Just press that notification bell in case of anytime I just upload any video. You will be notified. Okay, my people, God bless each and every one of you for the like, for the share, and everything. Okay, the first of all, me I felt this gwangwa, this face one and they see, so I believe say a lot of Nigeria people, they don't already know the face, no need to even mention e name, because e name no even dey important at all. I wish the name dey important, maybe I for don't even mention the name in case of many people wey no know am. We're all the same. At last I go mention the man name for those of all my fans wey no be Naija people. I go mention the name give una, but for we wey be Naija born, we I no need to mention the name. Okay, my people, this face one I just dey see, so see the face alone, even say if you wan even eat sef, the food e go even tire you to eat, because the face e be like face wey I no just know how the face be. Well, my people, wetin just make me just okay, me I talk this matter, wetin make me carry this face come my platform is that this man, as I talk before, many people know am. If you be Naija born, you don already know the man. This man can't even talk. He talk one thing wey e pain, wey e touch my heart and e touch my bone, because we all know say Naija as a whole na giant of Africa, because I still dey talk am say me I no see anything wey e giant for there. If you talk of all those envelope, e dey giant. If you talk of all those collection, they dey giant for all those kind thing. All those things wey no good, they dey giant for there. But the good thing, no, they no dey see there for first. No talk of whether na 10 position or 100 position, they no dey see there for there. Well, now this man come talk say as Naija dey, as he see Naija now, Naija is becoming a fake country. Hey, my God, nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. Na you dey talk this kind thing. The time wey you dey power, me I no see anything wey you do, even pure water to the masses. No be this one, no be this man face o. The other face wey una first see, but this one sef, this one, because all of them na the same group, na the same gang, all of them be. That face wey una first see before, the time wey im dey power, we no see any pure water for the masses. No talk of maybe bueo even too big now. Me I go for things wey we dey ask for so many years, all those lights, good roads, because good road and education now that is now our right to have it, because all these people wey una dey see, so this face wey una dey see, so they deprive us for not getting all those things. Now this man come out, he no even fear, he can't even come out say Buhari, say the time of Buhari, say Naija dey go down. Hey, my God, this may be like say he no even dey, the time wey he even dey power, or after he don even come, I believe say he no dey watch telly normally, because light no dey that country. How you take watch telly? Well, all the say now this man come talk say the time of una see this screenshot wey una dey see, say Nigeria is becoming a failed state divided under Buhari. Na lie. For that failed state, yes, that one na true, but divided under Buhari, no, that one na big lie. Why? Because before Buhari even come sef, that Naija na nyanga, that country na im first be. Even before I even born, as I can't even grow reach like this, can't even grow to adult, even be small na sef. That country na so e still be. I no see anything wey wey Buhari do, even himself wey dey talk, because once dem dey dem fit say dem be heaven and earth. Once dem don comot, another person don take over, dem fit say that person is not doing the right thing. Even the time wey dem dey, dem no dey do the right thing, but e just be like person wey dey inside river, soap go enter e eye. Na so dem be, na so their matter just be for that place wey dey stay, wey dey call Aso Rock abi I no know wetin dey call that place. Na im the man come talk, e no even fear, he just bold come out because he know say we be masses, na anything wey we dey talk we go take am. My dear, person like me and other people, all those na nonsense abi wetin I go talk, we no dey take dem. Just that we dey talk, we dey voice our voice out. Una dey see am, but una just feel like say una no see anything. No be you, this face wey una dey see so, no be you go talk this kind thing say that Naija is becoming. E don not be say even becoming, is that become. Una for your suffering remove am, put is for there, because that country for so many years nothing is working there, because una wey dey there, this face wey una dey see so and other faces wey una first see, una wey dey there, una no make that country dey better, because many years una dey download money from Naija to obodo oyibo. All those money una dey download from Naija to obodo oyibo, if all those money remain in Nigeria with income and everything, e go better. But no, me I never see any oyibo wey download the money from im country come Africa. E no dey possible, because all those people dey get sense. E just that una wey dey there, una sense e dey under una leg. Na this man Yusuf come and come say Naija is becoming. No, Naija is not be say becoming, because Naija don already dey that this thing wey dey dey for so many years. I know whether na God go fix am, because I believe say the way God take create Naija land, na so he take create other country. But the people wey call themselves say they dey in power, na all those people na spoil that country. And second, they say that country na giant. Me I no see anything wey dey giant. As I talk before, say all those things wey no good, they dey giant for there o, but the good thing they no dey giant for them. They no go even come out for first or no. Which one be first? 50 position sef, no talk of which even that dem first. Well, my people, wetin this man talk, I go still read some because the screenshot don already dey here. Just that maybe some of una no go see the screenshot. As I talk before, say I go measure the man later. Na the name now I wan measure. So former president Olusegun abi wetin dey call am, Olusegun abi anyone, Obasanjo say Nigeria is slowly becoming a failed state and a basket case that urgently needs to be pulled from the block of collapse. For me, that country don already collapse. Person just need God intervention to make the something get up again. That's just it. But if una still dey there, this for me, una still dey in power, that e no go get up again, except maybe after una don comot, new people go come enter, the youth go come enter. That is the only thing wey that thing go the something go get up. But as far as una still dey there, even Buhari comot, na another person enter o, na still the same thing. As far as if na PDP or APC and PDP or APC, if na all those two parties still dey there, the something go still remain, except maybe another youth dey form their own this thing. That is the only thing wey person go see hope say yes, this new group and everything don still come. No be una, because una wey dey there una no even know una left and I no know whether left or right or una right or left anyhow because as I talk before say una sense e dey under una feet because una don that country una just take as the way una like. Una fit wake up, if una say make e turn to A, e go turn to A. If una say make una turn am upside down, una go turn am upside down. If una say make una turn am go left or right, una go turn am. But God is watching you people. There is God. There is nothing that lasts forever, and I believe one day, as far as say Nigeria is a giant of Africa, I believe and I hope so that giant wey dey give, I no even know who give am the name. I no even know how the name take come from. You know say we dey love to all those guys name, whether na guys name dey give am or the day wey God just create am just give am that giant. Me I no know for that one, but I believe say one day that giant of Africa e go present sorry guys, e go represent that name wey dey give am. Sorry guys, whether na the real name or the guy's name, one day that name go bear that country. Where my people, as I see this something now, I say no, I need to talk this thing. Say see wetin una this face wey una dey see so, because as I talk before say this face I no fit the name, I no fit mention, just that people wey my followers, my fans wey dey come my platform wey no be Naija, na make me mention the man name, because if I dey mention those kind people name, be like say the something e get as e be. And e say this is Abuja on Thursday wey e talk am and deliver a speech titled "Moving Nigeria Away from TP Over" and the consultative dialogue attended by na dem go see well my people, because if we say make we talk their matter, they go break, we go sleep here, we go wake up, we go do breakfast, afternoon, evening food for here, we go still dey talk their matter, and their matter e no dey get the beginning, e no dey get the end. Well my people, as I see this, I say I need to inform you guys wetin this first one and the see so for this my screen, wetin e talk about Naija. And don't fail to leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. I still remain your girl, your friend, your sister Official. Bye.